So you'll be seeing now, this is a hypothetical design system called Air Orange. And this is the button component page. And you'll see that despite the design system being called Air Orange, this button appears to be green in the design system. So that doesn't look right. Not only that, the contrast ratio isn't very good. I think we need to fix that. So let's switch on over to Figma. Here's all our design system components that we've designed up all nice. And I think I can see over in this corner a button that is green, and that does not look right. So let's fix that. We'll just change the color over here to our enabled orange color. That looks about right. So now what we can do is go back over to zeroheight and use the update Figma files option up here in the top right. We'll click this, and what that's going to do is going to go through all of the Figma files that are wired up to zeroheight and check for any updates and changes. And in a few moments, you'll see the button update to the current version of that. And then what we can do is deploy that and share that amongst the team and show that the button has been fixed. There it is. So you can do that across the whole of the design system that's stored in zeroheight. So I think that's kind of a good demonstration of not only like automation, but also the element of using your favorite design tools and your favorite tools that you like to work in. Because I know designers and developers love to work in their particular tools, while at the same time being able to automate that process into the tools that work best for the appropriate use case.